glasses are fully fogged up. But we're about to leave the Ritz compound and go grocery shopping at a local grocery store. Gotta get out a little. Only been here for 24 hours, maybe even less. Actually less, but we gotta get out. This place is pretty dope. Nice grocery store. I'm gonna try to find me a linen top too. Something to cover up my shoulders so I don't got burned. Let's get some food though. Gary's over here. This place is super, super nice. They have all sorts of stuff. Super convenient. El Comer, I think, is what the name of it was. I can't remember. Alicia is infatuated with how things are labeled differently, like it's in Spanish or it's a, you know, it's an American label that you are programmed to. And I'm kind of used to this, you know. I was like that, not so much in Italy because they're not a lot of the same American stuff. But in England, it's all English. In Iraq and Kuwait and other places I've been, Morocco, I'm used to that. As most people know, most of our produce comes from Mexico, so I'm assuming this is a hell of a lot fresher than what we're probably used to. I don't know about you guys, but my bananas, when they're organic, go bad in like, fuck, I can't even eat them all. You know what I mean? And I usually eat 1 or 2 bananas a day. This shit looks good. Mangoes, some cacti. Little ones. The onions are already peeled. How convenient is that? That is insanely, that's cabbage. Gotta be cabbage, right? Or, no, that's a purple onion. Another thing, if you notice, is that their eggs, this is refrigerated area, non-refrigerated area. Their eggs are out, not refrigerated. I know I'm acting like Mexico is a freaking another planet, but it is not. It is very close, so it makes you wonder about our foods, right? Not gonna lie, their eggs look better than ours. And I know these are all bleached, but check these out down here. Got quail eggs, I'm assuming. And then you got some organic ones. What's the prices? What's 99 cents or 99 pesos? You guys can figure that one out. Freaking 64, 45. I do wish I had a place to cook because I like to eat protein and I don't want to get protein shakes and carry them around. So eggs in the morning would be easy. And I don't really necessarily want to go and spend freaking $200 at the Ritz-Carlton on breakfast. Like, I don't care how much money you make. There's a level of stupidity to some of it, especially when you're buying eggs and breakfast and stuff like that. Right now we're looking for sunscreen, but yeah, just enjoying and exploring. I don't know what this is. Need some gel. It's a massive amount of gel. I won't be needing any of that. There's an alarm, but our Uber driver is waiting outside, so we're wrapping up the grocery store. Ooh, we'll show you the haul in a second. Well, I found me a nice shirt, so hopefully it'll prevent me from getting completely burnt. Yeah, pretty good look, huh? Bro, my face is so tan right now.